This is a heap of kids. We have 5 of the blue kids. These are parrotlets. And then there are 4 of the other kids from the other pair that are probably turquoise. Say, oh, it's okay. So this is a blue kid. Hi. And this is a blue kid. Not you. And this is a blue kid. And this is the blue kid. And this is the blue kid. Okay. So these are the blue babies. And it looks like very hard to tell. It's easier to tell what they are. This is the male, one of the males. And it's funny, but the color actually shows up in the wings. The cobalt shows up better when I'm looking back at the videos or pictures. It actually picks it up a lot better. I think this is the other male. Hey! And these are the kids from the other pair. That one is so small, I haven't even banded him yet. It's going to be a couple days probably still. And let's see. It's okay, guys. I'm not sure. This one has that very light look to him. And these guys, I don't know. That's dark. That looks like it'd be a turquoise, as is that one. But this one I'm not sure, and the little one, of course, is way too young to tell. Look at these guys. They're everywhere. And this is everybody just fed. Go put them back. The budgies I just put into a different cage today so that it would be easier to get at them. So let's see if the 2 that always still want to be fed would like to come out. There's only 2 that are still wanting food. Hi, cutie. Not you. You're not one of them. Hey, cutie pie. This is one of them, though. And that's the other one. Okay. Where'd he go? There he is. This is 102. This is one of the ones that always wants to be fed. And that's 105. I'm going to let him forage on the floor for a bit while we go feed this kid. There you go. Right there in the dish. And as you can see, hi! This kid came right over. He knows where the food is. Here you go. See if we can't feed you 2 again. Maybe we can feed you at the same time like we did this morning. Yep. Aren't they funny? You silly babies. I can understand 105, the bluish one, wanting to eat still because he's the youngest. But the other one is 102, which is the second oldest. That one still wants to eat, regardless of the fact that everybody else is basically weaned. Well, they are weaned. They haven't had anything to eat from me for like 3 days. Hey, cuties. Wow. And they do eat plenty. Eat till they're stuffed. Okay. Alright, gotta put this down for a minute. Alright, these 2 have been fed. Hey guys. 105 on this side, 102 on that side. And now, we'll see. Up. And you. Up. There we go. Okay, the only kids left are the parrotlets that are weaned. So come on, guys. see, that is Reed back there. Come on, sweetie. That's Reed. See what a sweetie he is, Ellen? Yeah, you're a good boy, huh? You are a good boy. You're so pretty. Such a pretty boy. Hi. How you doing? Woo! That's how well he flies. Where did you go? Huh? Where did you go? Up. That's a good boy. Okay, now, up. Here we go. It's okay. That's a good boy. Oh, let's get you under the light. Show how pretty you are. Look at that pretty, pretty boy. What a pretty, pretty boy you are. Yeah. Such a pretty baby. What a good boy. And your sister. Ah, there's your sister. I knew she couldn't resist. Hi, sweetie. Up. There you go. That one is the female, 114. She's a nice girl, too. Hey, sweetie. How you doing? So hard to do this with one hand. Yeah. You want to go for a walkabout? Yeah? Go walkabout? I don't know if you heard that. Here we go, but that was from the bird room. That was probably Cosmo. Hey, where you going? Come on, sweetie. Here we go. Up. Here we go. Probably have to edit the heck out of this thing. And come see your brothers and sisters in the... Yeah, there's a whole bunch of you guys in there. Yeah, there is. Look at your little brother in there. Yes, aren't they cute, huh? Aren't they cute? How about the finches? You want to see the finches? There you go. Yeah, take a look. See little babies? I think they actually like to look at them. Okay, so that was show and tell. I think I got everybody that we have. So, up, up, good babies. I think that was everybody.